Welcome to our unboxing video of the SMA Backup Select. Out of the box, you'll find a wall mounting bracket, the Backup Select, a securing screw, and a documentation package with safety information, installation quick start, and wiring overview. The SMA Backup Select is an automatic transfer switching device for the Sunny Boy Smart Energy Inverter. It provides single-phase backup power for selected 120-volt household circuits, automatically and hands-free during a grid outage. Daytime backup with PV alone, full day and night backup when a battery is installed. The enclosure is NEMA Type 3R rated for indoor or outdoor use. It's compact and durable, about 20 inches wide, 10 inches high, and 9 inches deep, weighing just over 13 pounds. Backup Select includes 7 120-volt breakers for essential circuits. It supports only 120-volt loads, not 240-volt or whole home backup. When paired with the Sunny Boy Smart Energy Inverter, it can deliver up to 3,840 watts of backup power on smaller inverter models, or up to 5,760 watts with the 9.6 and 11.5 kilowatt models. SMA Backup Select. Compact, reliable, and designed for seamless automatic backup power within the SMA Home Energy Solution.